Repairing your industrial electronics is a smart choice. First, repairing your electronics will save you money. New equipment can be very expensive and includes the costs of reconfiguring systems, reprogramming software, and retraining your team. Second, with electronic repairs, you have less machine downtime because repairs are faster than replacements, which can drag on for months and kill your budget and cycle times. A quick electronic repair job can get your production back on track in just days. Thirdly, repairing electronics extends the lifespan of your machines well beyond the manufacturer's obsolescence date. That's a win for your ROI. A fourth reason to choose electronic repair is that it lets you keep your existing systems with no new operational confusion, and your team stays familiar with what they know best. And finally, repairing electronics reduces electronic waste and protects our environment. Repair is a sustainable choice that benefits everyone. Our electronic repair expertise ensures your equipment gets back to peak performance in no time. So, why wait? Explore our repair services today and extend the life of your equipment while saving time and money. Start your repair process now at controlrepair.com.